Hello everyone, this is Aman, your full stack instructor. Welcome to Perfect eLearning family. In today's class, we will discuss how to add horizontal lines and line breaks in HTML. So let's start without any delay. So students, in our previous lecture, we learned how to add paragraphs and comments in HTML. So now we will learn how to add horizontal lines and line breaks. So I am creating one new HTML file. I am naming it linebreaks.html. I have generated the code. Let's change the title, horizontal lines and line breaks. Okay. So now let's assume I am adding two paragraphs. This is my first paragraph and I am adding, this is my second paragraph. So I have added two paragraphs. Let's run this code. And as you can see, two paragraphs are visible on the page. Now what I want a horizontal line to divide these two paragraphs. Basically, I want a divider between these two paragraphs. So what can I do to add a horizontal line? So I can use horizontal row tag, which is basically HR tag. Okay. So this tag will add one horizontal row between these two paragraphs. Now, as you can notice one thing, that it does not have any closing tag. It has only opening tag. So as I have also explained in the tags video, that there are two types of tags. One is the container tag and another one are the empty tags. So the P tag is the container tag as it has content enclosed within it. But the HR tag is an empty tag. It does not require to enclose any content. So let's see if the horizontal row has been added between the paragraphs. And as you can see that a new horizontal row has been added and between my two paragraphs. Now suppose I want to add one more horizontal row below my second paragraph. For that, what can I do? I can also add one more HR tag below my second paragraph, and this will add another horizontal row. Simple. Yes. So now suppose I take one more example. Now I am taking two line in a paragraph. This is my first line of a paragraph. This is my second line of a paragraph. Okay, I have two lines in my paragraph, as you can see. Now what I want that this second line should be displayed in the new line, or basically in the next line. I don't want these to be in the same line. For that, I have to add line break. And how can we add line break? For that, there is one more tag, which is the BR tag. What it do? It does the line break. So it is also an empty tag. It does not require any closing tag. Okay. So now as you can see, my second line has been moved to a new line. I have added one line break. So wherever you will add this BR tag, it will move the content to the next line. As you can see that I have added one more BR tag, and as you can see, this one's content is also added in the new line. Okay, so wherever you will add this BR tag, it will move the content to the new line. So this was the basic overview about adding the horizontal rows and line breaks in HTML. And I hope you have learned this topic very well. So now practice or learn by yourself. I'll see you in the next class. Till then, keep learning, keep growing.